How y'all doing? Redneck Programmer here. Alright, this is part 3 of our Java 14 tutorial. We're just kind of going to get into it a little at a time. I want to make these nice and bite-sized. So here's the next one. Alright, we're going to implement what's called a scanner. Now then, what is a scanner? You think a scanner is what you put on the front of your Peterbilt to watch for old, 5.0 if they're running radar. Well, that's kind of different scanner. Alright. So what this is going to be is we're going to be able to read. We're going to be able to type something that we want to put into it, and then it's going to display something, right? So computer programs, applications, whatever you want to call them, man, they do one thing really well, okay? They do all kinds of stuff. They get crazy. They let you play Clash of Clans or whatever on your phone, but it takes input, it does something to it, and then it spits out an output. Now that input might be you clicking buttons on your computer, right, on your iPhone, and then it does something with it, and then it spits it back out. It might spit it back out is a cartoon visual of your Pokemon Go getting caught or missing or whatever you do with it, man. All right, I keep saying man. I don't know. Reminds me of the guy off Office Space. This guy. All right. So we're going to implement our scanner here. So let's get rid of this. You know about variables. You've already gone out, you've looked it up, right? So you make a number of variables, you can make letters variables. You can make all kinds of stuff variables. You'll be seeing we're going to be using variables for quite a bit of this. All right? Just remember the bubba. Variable, it's a bubba. All right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a scanner. Well, how do we make a scanner? Well, the first thing we do is we create a scanner. And looky there, it pops up. They made programming so easy, it almost does it for you. Scanner, now then, this is just saying, hey, I'm about to make a scanner. I ain't made one yet. Okay? Now we need to name our scanner. Usually they name it SC for scanner. Okay? Or we can call it scanner. It don't matter. Right? Then we're going to assign it. So this is our bubba. Okay? This is our variable name for a scanner. Right? This is our instance name. It's our instance name of a scanner. So now we need to create a new one. So we just type new scanner. And then system. Remember system printout? System.out. Well, we're going system.in because we're about to put stuff in the system. All right? Semicolon. Don't forget that. That'll make you mad later if you forget it. Now then, let's ask a question. All right? So let's use the bubba thing again. I kind of like this example. All right? So what we're going to say is the system.out, because we want our program to talk to us. So if we want it to talk to us, we're going to have to do a print line. We're going to have to do a system out. So it's going to say, what's your name? All right. Now that we got the computer to ask us a question, we're going to have to make a bubba. We got to make a variable. Because whatever we tell it, we want to assign it a variable name. You don't have to, but you're gonna. All right? So what we're going to have here is a string, bubba. Okay? Now then we're going to use what? We're going to use our scanner because it's going to scan the input. Oh, that was stupid. It's going to scan the input, dot, next. So it's going to wait for the next thing to come in. All right? Now then, if you want, we can actually make a variable of a variable. So we make a new variable called bubba again is equal to bubba. So whatever I put in here is going to be assigned to here. And then this is going to be assigned to here. Why am I doing that? Well, I'm showing you that you can assign a variable to a variable, right? That's how things can get confusing sometimes, but you got it. You get it. All right. Now we can do system.out.println and it's going to say, no, your name is Bubba. Alright? Got a little sassy application. We got a little sassy program going. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. Alright? It's saying, what's your name? My name's Redneck Programmer. No. Your name is Bubba. Little back talking application here. So now then, that gives you an idea of how to input data, how to change that data, reassign it, and output the data. So check it out on the next video, and we'll keep this going. Bye, y'all.